nilalaro ng panahon. At sa unang pagpipila, tunay na pag-ibig na nadarama. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y malaya pa? Hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang iibigin? Ikaw sana.
Di mo napapansin sa bawat araw na kasama mo siya, kapiling ka na. Bawat sandali punong-puno ng higay at saya, damdamin na iba. Sa di sinasabi ang pagkakataon, at para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon. Bigla kayong nagyakan, mga labi nyo'y naglapan, ang inyong mga mata nagtatanong at nangangarap. Nakilala na ako'y malaya pa, at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang ibigin? Sadyang pagkakataon para bang ika'y ilalaro ng panahon. Bigla kayong nagyakan, mga labi nyo'y naglapan, ang iyong mga mata'y nagtatanong at nanangarap. Ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y malaya pa? Iyon ang puso ko may kapiling na. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang ibigin? Nakilala na ako'y malaya pa, at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang ibigin? Ikaw sana.
Inuman dito.
Bahay mo, baka maliwanag pa. Baka makalimutan pa yun.
Hindi, nakasakay na sa kotse.
Ala yung bulahan?
Hindi ko na nga dinala yung atin.
Wala yung bulahan?
Baka magkulang.
Hindi na, baka mapunta na yung mga yun.
Pwede ko alis ang gamit dito para kasya.
Kasi bag ko.
Minum na lang tayo kung walang beer.
Ah, hindi akin na to. Tatay mo na kita tala. Ha?
Kailangan lang ang ilaw.
Kunyari pa sa taon na, ay akin ba to?
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired and listen to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I get a little bit restless and I dream of something wild. Every settle lying like a child in your arms. Every now and then I get a little bit angry and I know I got to get out and cry. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And then only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. And love is like a shadow of me all the time. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. We're living in a dark and I get lost. Time to time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. This is the level to your face of the heart. Once upon a time there was light in the light, but now there's only love in the dark. Still, I told the place of the heart. The total eclipse of the heart.
Ay, Ashley! May bago ka nilalaro.
Once upon a time there was light in my life.
Bigyan mo ka nanay.
Nothing I can say. Total eclipse of the heart. Total eclipse of the heart.
Eh, kinain nyo nga. Unahan nyo nga.
Total eclipse of the heart.
Wala.
Turn around.
Ay, wala akong pagkawa.
Sarap po. Sarap.
Ay, ginawa siya.
Alam ko wala kang cellphone. Wala kang cellphone dyan.
Sino sabi?
Wala.
Hindi ko dala yung cellphone ko.
Hindi, alaka ka ako nakaganon.
Hindi ko dala. Naiwanan ko. Nakalimutan ko eh.
Hindi nakapag-aapos sa iyo. Red konti lang. Binoy! Pakita ang tanong mo.
Hindi nga po pwede ako. Patayin ko.
You look at me and baby, I wanna catch your fire. Buried in my soul. Coming from your door. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I want you to come back, say goodbye, baby. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, always remember this day.
Jessie, baka nakahiga ka. Galing pinyalan.
Dollars in the night,
Kasi,
always trying to hide. We don't know how to run, but down we try. Oh, I let you know.
Magkamalapit na dito eh.
So when I want you to come back, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember yesterday's rain. And the band won't play. I'll always remember us.
Nakaligo naman ako. Pagkaligo ko, toothbrush.
Napakabilis ko sa bukid ko gabi. Ang kasi si Jerry nag-inig ko.
Si Ang BJ, pupunta. May ginagawa na.
Joke lang.
Tangina. Nakala ko pa naman nagkakala na. Ayaw.
Ay, ka na ako'y arranger.
Ayan.
Hindi na niya.
Yung isa, meron din. Dala ko yun eh.
Sige, isa.
Ayan, sa base.
Hindi, para hindi malayo yung ikot mo. Ang ikot lang yun.
Ako lang nilalaman, di ba nakakalaman, tinawag ko si Steph. Sa inyo siya. Uy! Sa inyo dalawa yan? Tangay na ba?
Alam, stop na yan.
If you go, you know that the hills can have your home. Break the stars till that'll be the madness time. Just like the face you its damage, the sweet little lights stare at me and make me say, I would do the world away.
Dapat malaman nila. Wala na akong magagawa. Okay lang yun. Kasalanan yun. Sabi ko nga, bahala kayo. Gano'n malaman kayo sa akin. Malaman naman mas pareho sa akin.
Well, I know it.
Konti lang eh. Konti lang. Ayun lang eh. Ayun yan, ha? Konti lang, pwede. Okay na muna. Walang sakit.
Smooth siya, smooth na smooth siya.
Smooth yan, pagsipa niya.
Kaso medyo malakas siya.
Smooth yan, pagsipa niya. Walang tahan.
Sarap yan.
I believe one day I will
Ano lang yan, panchiki lang.
right there, right next to you.
Chika sa higa. Tangina niya ay pumasok sa hirap.
Nothing without you. You touch your skin. What do I feel? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. Don't mean not to cry when you are gone, but the feeling's overwhelming. It's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you? It makes sure you're alright. Take care of you. And I don't wanna be if I can't be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call? These I'm missing you like crazy. Can I lay by your side next to you? And make sure you're alright. I'll take care of you. And I don't wanna be if I can't be with you tonight. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. Can I lay by your side next to you?
Saan pupunta yun?
Sa may palikpik na
Saan pupunta?
sa player.
Spoiled na spoiled kay Manny.
Baka malaglag yan.